Hello, this is Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty. I'm here with another beauty video for you guys, and I wanted to talk about exfoliation, and most importantly, right now in this video I'm talking about lip exfoliation. We are going into the winter months right now, and honestly, I have chapped lips pretty much year round, so it really doesn't matter the season, but how I really help to keep that at bay and not allow it to show, and I'm not walking around with crusty, cracked lips, is I want to make sure that I am keeping my lips exfoliated and moisturized. So as you can see, I have my lips on display for you guys here, and it's a dry mess right now. I've already taken a shower and I've cleansed my face and everything, but I'm going to do my lip exfoliation. I usually do it in a shower, but I'm just going to do it at the sink in my bathroom for you guys so you can really see it. So I have this disposable cloth. You can use any cloth, it doesn't have to be a disposable cloth, but I have that dampened with really hot water, and then I just put that in between my lips and I press my lips on it, and I just allow that to sit until the cloth cools down. So now I'm using that same damp cloth and I'm dampening it again, and I'm adding some of the brown sugar mixture that I use for exfoliating. And I have another video you can check out. I'll put a link to that video in the description box so you can check it out. But I'm using that all over my lips. I've got my lips pouted out all the way, and I'm going in circular motions to really abrade the skin on my lips and really get that hardened skin lifted up so that it can be exfoliated off. I'm not going terribly hard, so it's not hurting my lips. I'm not causing any bruising, so you definitely don't want to do that. And you want to exfoliate your lips and make sure that you're keeping it from getting to the point of having lips that are so hard and dry that the skin is cracking, because if your skin is cracking, you will not want to do this when your skin is cracked on your lips, because it'll be very painful. You need to use products that will be medicated on your lips and allow that to heal your lips before you do any exfoliation on your lips if it's in that state. Just FYI. So I finished exfoliating the skin off of my lips, and I'm just cleaning all of that product off, all of the sugar scrub and all of the dead skin cells. And you can see my lips here. They're really smooth. They feel really good. And I don't have extremely huge lips, but my lips are a fairly decent size. So I'm usually exfoliating my lips every other day. This is something that I have to keep up. So you have to kind of do it as often as you feel is necessary for you to keep your lips super smooth and soft and kissable. But this is Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for giving me a thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. And I am going to see you next time. I hope you have a beautifully blessed and amazing day. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. You can leave a comment and I will definitely respond to you. And I'll see you next time.